Welcome students in our channel. Now let's start. First question is, which of the following statements is correct? Option 1, work done can only be negative. Option 2, work done can be positive or negative depending on the direction of force. Option 3, work done does not depend on force or displacement. Option 4, work done can only be positive. Answer 2, work done can be positive or negative depending on the direction of force. Through which method of cell division are the diploid chromosome divided into haploid gametes? Option 1, mitosis. Option 2, binary fission. Option 2, amitosis. Option 4, meiosis. Answer is option 4, meiosis. The power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length in meter, the ratio of image distance to object distance, the product of its focal length and refractive index, the square of its focal length. Option 1, the reciprocal of its focal length in meters. When a thick glass slab is placed over printed matter, the letters appear raised. This is due to scattering of light, refraction of light, total internal reflection, polarization of light. Answer is option 2, refraction of light. The motion of a satellite orbiting the Earth in a circular path at constant speed is a classic example of uniform circular motion. What property of this motion prevents its acceleration from being zero? A. Total mechanical energy is conserved, necessitating acceleration. The direction of motion changes continuously at every point, meaning the velocity is changing. The object's mass continually changes due to orbital dynamics. The speed is too high for the gravitational force to sustain a constant velocity. And the answer is option B. The direction of motion changes continuously at every point, meaning the velocity is changing. Next question, asthma primarily affects which part of the respiratory system? Diaphragm, bronchi and bronchioles, trachea and alveoli. Answer is option B, bronchi and bronchioles. Next question, which of the following describe an example of uniform circular motion? A train moving on its track, a car accelerating on its way, a ball thrown vertically upward, a fan blade rotating at a constant speed. Answer D, a fan blade rotating at a constant speed. During reproduction, why is it important to create DNA copies? For blood circulation, for digestion, for inheritance of trait, for respiration. Answer is option C, for inheritance of trait. What happens when naphthalene ball is burned in a metal plate in open space? It burns with a blue flame, it burns with yellow flame with no deposit on the metal plate, it burns with a yellow flame with black soot deposit on the metal plate, it burns with a blue flame with black soot deposit on the metal plate. Answer is option C, it burns with a yellow flame with black soot deposit on the metal plate. Next question, when water and nutrients are available, algae grow and multiply rapidly by the process of spore formation, pollination, fragmentation, budding. Option C, fragmentation. A coil has a resistance 44 ohm. If it is connected across a 220 volt supply, what is the power consumed by the coil? Answer is option B, 1100 watt. You can use P equal to B square by R formula. Which of the following option best describe the term culture fishery? Catching fishes from marine water, capturing fishes from artificial resource, farming of the fishes, capturing fishes from natural resource. Answer is option C, farming of the fishes. A body is dropped from a height. If it falls for 3.0 second and g for gravity equal to 10 meter per second square, its final velocity is 3 into 10 30 meter per second. What happens when a zinc rod is placed in aqueous copper sulfate solution? The blue color of copper sulfate solution fades, the temperature of solution falls, heat is required to start the reaction, no chemical observed. Correct answer is option A. The blue color of the copper sulfate solution fades. Next question. The fractional atomic mass of chlorine is due to which of the following? Presence of ion, presence of isotope, its compound nature, its experimental error. Answer is option B. Presence of isotope. Next question. The functional group which does not contain oxygen heteroatom is haloalkane, ketone, carboxylic acid, alcohol. And the correct option is option A. haloalkane. What is the main role of micelle in the cleansing action of soap? A. To trap and remove oil and dirt from cloth. To reduce the hardness of water. To produce leather with water. To increase the surface tension of water. Answer is option A. To trap and remove oil and dirt from cloth. Next question. Which poultry are birds framed to produce eggs? Meals, common carp, layers, broilers. Option C. Layers. Statement 1. Potential difference is measured in volt is correct. Option 2. 1 volt is equal to 1 Newton per coulomb is not correct. Which of the following is true? Answer is option D. Only statement 1 is correct. Frequency of sound wave is 50 Hz. How much time will it take to complete one wave? Option B. 0.02 second. You can use the formula time period equal to 1 by frequency. Then answer will become 1 by 50 equal to 0.02 second. Which of the following statement best explanation law of constant proportion? Option A. Elements are always found in random ratio in a compound. Atom can be divided into smaller particle during a reaction. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. A chemical compound always contains the same element in the same proportion by mass. Answer is option D. A chemical compound always contains the same element in the same proportion by mass. Now next question. Which of the following is not used for expressing the concentration of a solution? Option A. Volume by volume percentage of a solution, volume by mass percent of a solution, mass by volume percent of a solution, mass by mass percentage of a solution. Answer is option B. Volume by volume mass percentage of a solution. Which of the following plant tissue perform photosynthesis? Chlorenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem, phloem. Answer is option A. Chlorenchyma. Which of the following life process is important to bring variation in species? A. Heterotropic nutrition, B. Transportation, C. Autotropic nutrition, D. Sexual reproduction. Answer is option D. Sexual reproduction. Which of the following metal is extract in the middle of a activity series? Gold, potassium, iron, sodium. Answer is option C. Iron. Thank you.